studying your last two. I swim med tid when they turned in. The staring out to mute. And can learn the pole that sunk he died.
The T4 slip is one of the most important tax documents for employees in Canada. It is prepared by your employer at the end of each calendar year and summarizes your employment income, taxable benefits, and payroll deductions for the year. Employers are generally required to provide the T4 slip to employees by the end of February following the tax year. This gives employees the information they need to prepare their personal income tax return accurately. The T4 slip contains several important boxes. Box 14 reports your total employment income, which includes your salary, wages, bonuses, commissions, vacation pay, and other taxable employment amounts. This is usually the starting point when preparing your tax return. Box 22 shows the amount of income tax that your employer has already deducted and remitted to the Canada Revenue Agency on your behalf. This amount is used as a credit when calculating your final tax balance. The T4 also reports your Canada Pension Plan contributions in Box 16 and your employment insurance premiums in Box 18. These amounts may entitle you to valuable non-refundable tax credits and are also used to determine whether you have overpaid CPP or EI during the year. Other boxes on the T4 may report pension adjustments, taxable benefits, and additional payroll information that can affect your tax return. That's why every box on the T4 should be reviewed carefully instead of focusing only on employment income. In summary, the T4 slip provides a complete picture of your employment income and payroll deductions. It serves as the primary source document for reporting employment income accurately on your Canadian personal income tax return. Once you receive your T4 slip, the next step is to transfer the information accurately to your T1 personal income tax return. This is one of the most important responsibilities of a tax preparer, because even a small mistake can affect the final tax calculation. The process begins with the employment income reported on your T4. The amount shown in Box 14 is generally entered on line 10,100 of the T1 return. This line represents your total employment income and forms part of your overall taxable income. The income tax deducted by your employer, shown in Box 22, is also transferred to the T1 return. This amount is treated as tax already paid during the year and helps reduce your final tax payable or increase your refund. Your Canada Pension Plan contributions and employment insurance premiums are also transferred from the T4. These amounts are used to calculate valuable non-refundable tax credits and may also be reviewed to determine whether you have overpaid CPP or EI during the year. If your T4 includes taxable benefits, pension adjustments, or other employment-related amounts, those figures must also be reported on the appropriate schedules or lines of the T1 return, depending on the type of information. As a tax preparer, you should never estimate or manually change the amounts reported on the T4. Instead, carefully transfer each amount to its correct location on the tax return and verify that every important box has been considered. Think of the T4 as the source document and the T1 return as the final destination. Your job is to ensure that every relevant amount flows accurately from the T4 to the correct line on the T1 before the completed return is filed with the Canada Revenue Agency. Accurate data transfer is one of the simplest but most essential skills in Canadian tax preparation, and it forms the foundation for preparing correct and reliable tax returns. Now let's look at the complete employment income reporting process from start to finish. Understanding this workflow helps you see how every step fits together and why careful review is so important. The process begins when an employee works and earns income throughout the year. During each pay period, The employer's payroll system calculates the employee's salary or wages, any bonuses or commissions, taxable benefits, income tax deductions, Canada Pension Plan contributions, and employment insurance premiums. At the end of the calendar year, the employer summarizes all of this payroll information and prepares a T4 slip. This document becomes the official record of the employee's employment income and payroll deductions for the year. The next step belongs to the tax preparer. Before entering any information into the tax return, every box on the T4 should be reviewed carefully. This includes not only the employment income in Box 14, but also the income tax deducted, CPP contributions, EI premiums, taxable benefits, pension adjustments, and any other relevant amounts that may affect the return. After verifying the information, the appropriate amounts are transferred to the correct lines of the T1 personal income tax return. Once the return has been completed and reviewed, it is submitted electronically or by mail to the Canada Revenue Agency. A common mistake made by beginners is focusing only on Box 14 and ignoring the rest of the T4 slip. Others overlook taxable benefits, miss valuable tax credits related to CPP or EI, or fail to review lower-numbered boxes that may contain important information. Some also enter figures manually without verifying them against the original tax slip. The best practice is simple. Review every box on the T4, understand what each amount represents, and transfer the information accurately to the T1 return. A careful review reduces errors, helps prevent CRA reassessments, and ensures that your client receives the correct refund or pays the correct amount of tax. This disciplined approach is one of the habits that separates a professional tax preparer from someone who simply enters numbers into tax software.